They're right on, you know that corner building facing this wood line? Right straight ahead?
What now?
They're on this first building right here.
They're like right on that corner, so it's all.
Uh-huh.
Or that, you know, the little shack is?
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, they're right there. And they're probably on that building by now. I say we fight.
If we go this way and then come to the side or behind, we'll get them.
So
You want to do it?
Backtrack a little bit, head more into the woods. Or maybe we could go forward and then head that way.
We're gonna have to go behind.
Up there. Oh, that's a whole pine of momentum. Alright, well, let's push up a little bit. After pushing up, we need.
Alright, let's push over with our team.
I'm not going with them, they got that. We need to go on that road.
This way. Go.
I'm all right.
There's green in the city. There's green in the city. I believe so. I mean, we're fighting to go get it, that's for sure.
I think I was drifting up a little bit. I'm gonna sight this thing.
It's like, you can't move any further that way.
They're all in there?
They're all in there.
Alright.
Straight to my 12, this way. If you push in, they have like an L, or a U actually. It's like this. We have dudes that are trying to push in behind us.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to force over there. Somebody to stop right here.
That would be our best.
Rocket top.
Go.
You go. You lead the way, Baker. Take off. Take the lead.
Contact.
Got eyes on Kobe?
Nope.
Blue jeans, you watch our 6. You watch our 6.
Hey, push that way.
Green. Behind us. Got one behind us.
I know. Hey, we have green over here.
Got Dan behind us. Coming to you. I stepped in it.
Six. Without, or, yeah. No, it's 10.
Let's push forward.
On you.
Hey Corey, you hear me?
One green to our right. Hey. Hey. Open this pouch right here. Undo like this. Undo the paracord. Yeah, I got you. Just in case. Thank you. You sure you want to push with us?
Nope.
Alright. We can go across the road and come along the tape. Because right now we're pinched 3 ways.
I'll be distraction. Get a group to go up that direction.
Hey,
Mitch, go with him. Flank all the way around. Get him up there. As soon as I see you guys up across the bridge, I'm going to start giving them hell to give them distraction towards me.
alright. Why are you walking away?
Hey, boss. Are you green?
Yeah, I'm on
You're not green. You're wearing multicam.
Yeah, we walked right by him.
Multicam is tan.
Multicam is not green, it's tan. Yeah. It's supposed to be tan. Well, why is he walking away?
Hey. Whatever. Hit!
Alright, now get us healed up. Alpha. The other guy's wearing multicam, that's why we tapped him. Get him up, you got him first. That's why I didn't engage you, because I saw him you were in it. Like, okay, I know who that is.
Okay. Well, there's one guy that's on the tan team. He's wearing like World War II German kind of.
Yes, I know he's on like his book. That's why they were able to go with that. Come on, get up. Another issue. You're good. You're good. The other guy.
Fucking kidding me.
That's tan.
Hey, face that way. Lay down and face that way.
Alright. Hey, here's a sit rep. The plan is, we're going to send a dude, see that yellow tape over there? We're going to get a group of guys, we're going to push up along that, come behind him. He's going to distract him.
I'm bait.
He's the bait. Just anybody want to stay with him. One other person.
You're going to die.
I'll stay with him.
Alright. But we're going to try to do the best we can. We're staying here until you guys get further up.
Alright.
Then I want to hear A22.
Alright.
I'll give them hell on this side.
When I yell A22, is that engage?
And I'm going to start engaging. Give us another...
Alright. I'm gonna... You got green?
Yeah, they just swing around that dead brush. And then I'll come across it.
Follow me. Are you guys alive? Alright.
We're making a flank.
Let's go up along this yellow tape and come behind him on rush top.
Yeah. Hey.
Don't just kneel down in the open. A22! Come on. Keep going. Hey, one of you branch off, go that way.
Go that way.
Hey, it's a dead end. It's a dead end. Go. Back, 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 back. Follow him. Yeah. Oh. Clear. In my big pouch right here, will you get that Gatorade out for me? Thank you. You guys good?
It's one hell of a climb.
All right. Hey, one of you guys come over here and face this way.
Now remember, if they come up here dead, we gotta vacate.
I know, but
They're vacant.
all right, change plans. We zip, or actually, pinch what you're. Hey, you. We zip this back up the main compartment for me, on top.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right.
Which way do we go?
No, just this way. Go. Hey, get your shit ready. Hey, you two with me. You with me. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, you too. Come on.
What do you guys want to do? You guys want to go around the radar station?
Where are we now?
We're about right here
Okay.
in 7C. Radar or crossroad?
Crossroad might be
All right.
2K.
All right. Now here's my 2 cents. If we take radar, we have a flank behind them, directly behind them. Shit. But we don't have another force here to take out Roadhouse. So I don't want to go radar and then enclose on crossroad, and then we have these two dudes move up here.
When you want to go ready to crossroad.
But if we go here, we could control this. That'd be a hard flank for them.
They're here.
Yeah, I know.
So it will be around the center. You decide.
We'll go radar.
Yeah, let's go radar.
All right. Get down, get down, get down. Fuck them up, go. Windrunner. Go, go.
Where?
Push back. You go first. Go that way. You follow him. Go. Just keep going back. Keep going back. Yeah.
Grab that.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. I got you. Go fast. Alright, go this way, this way. Alright. Shit. The road's right there. Right here. Hey. Come here. We're gonna go right here and come down.
Wait, what?
We're about right here. And we're gonna go and come down on radar. Right here, right here. Don't move, don't move. See that dude?
What?
You see him?
I don't see anybody.
One. On the count of three, we're gonna shoot him. 1, 2, 3. Stand back. Fuck the bell, fuck the bell. Go, go, go. This way. Go up there, go up there.
Okay.
Go, follow. What color are you? I asked you first. Tanner green. Tanner green. Alright, come on. Be a fight down. Get on. Alright, spread out. Keep going back, keep going back. Be careful. Go, go, go. Follow him.
We're going that one.